same problem in all the classes? The teacher needs to allow you to enter the class.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is the first
Why
time.
is it happening now? No, in my previous classes also, yesterday also this was happening. For IST fifth semester, the same thing was happening. I needed to allow all the students, then only they attended the class. That's why I'm asking that whether it is happening for all the classes. Today, how many classes you are having?
Ma'am, two
And what?
classes.
This is one class, and the other classes?
CN. I'm CN.
CN 9 to 10. What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
timing for CN?
मैम टाइम
Ma'am, 9 to
ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
10.
ଯେ
Madam,
କହିନାହାନ୍ତି
timing.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସରି ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ओके मैम कहना तो जो भी मैम को क्लास हम ठीक अच्छे आज चेक करके मते किए कहबे सुमन कहीदेबू मते कि सेम प्रॉब्लम
आगे
होची ना
मैम.
नहीं
आगे मैम.
ठीक अच्छे मते मेसेज कर देबू खाली व्हाट्सएप रे जे कौन प्रॉब्लम ए सेम प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट करची ना नहीं ठीक अच्छे
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
आगे.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
କିଏ
ମୋର ଏମିତି ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟପ୍ରଭା ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୋର ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା ଏମିତି ଅବି ଜଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଆଠଟା ଆମର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ତ ଆଠଟାରୁ ମୁଁ କେତେ 4 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ଆଗରୁ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଇଏ କରିଥିଲି ତ ସେ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା କି ହବନି ଅବିକା wait till the organizer allows you to join
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मु से कथा ही कहूची कि
हाँ मैम ମୋର
माने
ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ହିଁ ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଛି ନା ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଲାଉ କଲା ପରେ ଆଡମିଟ କଲା ପରେ ହିଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜଏନ କଲେ କେହି ତ ଖାଲି ଜଏନ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି I am
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୋର
admitting one
ସେମିତି
by one, then
ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା
only they are able to join. କାହାର ଖାଲିରେ join ହେଇନି? କିଏ? ଅଭିଷେକ. See, there are 20 requests, okay? So, one by one, all were waiting in the lobby. I pressed admit all, so all were admitted at a single stretch. କିନ୍ତୁ କେହି ବି ସେମିତି ଆଲାଉ ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର 20ଟା 5ଟା 10ଟା ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଡମିଟ ହେଇଛି ଏବେ ବି ଯୋଉମାନେ ସବୁ ଜଏନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଡମିଟ କଲା ପରେ ହିଁ ଜଏନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ମୋର ସେମିତି ଦେଖେଇଥିଲା
ତୁ
ଆଗରୁ
କ୍ଲାସ୍
କେବେ ବି
ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ
ଦେଖାଏନି
ହେବା ପରେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବା ପରେ ମାନେ 8ଟା ବାଜିବାକୁ 2-3 ମିନିଟ୍ ଥିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ମୁଁ ଆଲାଉ କରିବା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ତୁ ଜଏନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମାନେ ଜଏନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିଥିବୁ ଠିକ
ୟେସ୍
ଅଛି
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ସିଏ ଆଗରୁ ଜଏନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ମୁଁ ପରମିଶନ ଦେଇନଥିଲି
ହଁ ତ ମୁଁ 3 ମିନିଟ୍ସ ଆଗରୁ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି ତ ହେଇନଥିଲା ତାପରେ
ହେଲା
8ଟା 1ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି ତ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଇ ମାନେ ମୁଁ ସେଟା କାଟିଦେଲି ମତେ ଲାଗିଲା ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ତ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ 8ଟା 1ରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ହେଇଗଲା ବଟ୍ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟା ମତେ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଆସିଲା
ହଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି ମତେ ଖାଲି ସୁମନ ଟିକେ କହିଦେବୁ ଯେ ଆଜି ସିଏନ୍ କ୍ଲାସରେ ସେମ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ହେଲା କିଏ
आगे
ଟିକେ
मैम.
କ୍ଲାସ ଆଗରୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବ ଜଏନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି କ୍ଲାସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ହବ କ୍ଲାସ ଟାଇମ ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ଜଏନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି କଲେ ଜଣା
ୟେସ୍
ପଡିଯିବ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
Okay, so we will start with subtractor.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
କିଏ ରେ
Hello.
ହୁଁ
Ma'am, जो हमें जो expression लिखते ले half order और full order रो
ହୁଁ
हम तो कौन के में यूज कर लिखते रिया
के मैप यूज କରିକି ବି ଲେଖି ପାରିବା
ना हो तो लिखते ले कौन स्टेज ने
ହଁ
लिखते ऑप्शन किस नहीं तो
ଲେଖିଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ନାହିଁ what happened Tanaj why are you unmuting your audio do you want to tell something
Ma'am, sorry, it is by mistake.
okay ହଁ ସ୍ନେହାଶିଷ କଣ କହୁଥିଲୁ ଆମେ
मैंने
के मैप यूज କରିକି minimized expression ଲେଖିବା
yes ma'am
but for some the minimized expression will we cannot get the minimized expression by k map for sum of a full adder try କରିକି ଦେଖେ full adder ର sum ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଯାହା ବି individual expression ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ରହିବ ସେଉଟା କି ଆମେ pairing କରିପାରିବାନି But for carry, it is we can get a minimized expression, that is AB plus BC plus AC. Full adder carry pai amar K map put kale minimized expression aschi, that is AB plus BC plus AC.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but for
Yes.
carry, by using K map we cannot get the minimized expression. Try solving it. Okay,
Yes.
and you can tell me later on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we start half subtractor? Is the screen
Yes.
visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So as a half adder, what will be a half subtractor? We subtract two numbers. Okay, a half subtractor is a combinational circuit with two inputs and two outputs. We will have two inputs, suppose X and Y, and the two outputs will be difference and borrow. Okay, it produces the difference between the two binary bits at the input and also produces a output borrow to indicate if a 1 has been borrowed. In the subtraction A minus B, A is called manuand and B is called subtrahend. Okay. Now A minus B. What is our first statement? What is our first step in designing a combinational circuit? The first step is the problem statement. Okay. The problem statement is we have to design a subtractor. The second step is we have to define the input and output. Okay, what are the inputs and outputs? We have defined here that there are two inputs and two outputs. Okay, the two inputs are A and B or X and Y, and the two outputs will be difference and borrow. Okay, this A minus B is the difference and the borrow. Okay, take it as X and Y because we can represent D and B as the difference and borrow. Take the two inputs as X and Y, and we can have difference and borrow, because here you can see that there are two B, so it will be confusing whether it is the input or whether it is the borrow. Take the inputs as X and Y. All of you draw the truth table by yourself. Pen, paper आणि की DJ truth table draw करो. Take the input as X and Y and take the output as D and B, difference and borrow. Done. Now for two inputs, what will be the possible combination? Four possible combination: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. There will be four possible combinations: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now what will be the difference? 0 minus 0. The difference will be 0 and the borrow will also be 0. Then 0 minus 1. Can we subtract 1 from 0? It is not possible, so we require a borrow. So 1 0 minus 1 will give you 1. So we will have a borrow as well as the difference bit will be equal to 1. So the difference is 1 and the borrow is 1. Next 1 0. 1 minus 0. The difference will be 1 but the borrow will be 0. Then 1 minus 1. The difference is 0 as well as the borrow is 0. So what will be the expression for difference? Roll number 88. 88. Rashmi Rekha Mishra. Roll number 85. Aditya. Roll number 145. Subhalakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
will be the
borrow
expression for difference?
मैम डिफरेंस होची x dash y minus x y dash minus x y
कौन x dash y
minus x y dash
माइनस कोड আসলে রে
मैम सेटा
এটা
subtract
subtractor circuit no doubt, but we have to write down the SOP expression. The sum of product, the individual product term ର sum ବାହାର କରିବା ନା ଆମେ ତାକୁ ମାଇନସ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରିବା ଆମେ ମାଇନସ କୋଉଠି କଲେ ମାଇନସ କଲେ ଆମେ ଇନପୁଟ ଟର୍ମସ୍ को ठीक ଅଛି ଇନପୁଟ
Yes,
ଟର୍ମ को ମାଇନସ କରିକି ଆମେ ବାହାର କଲେ डिफरेंस ଆଉ ବରୋ now from here onwards the step will be the same. We have to write down the individual product term or the mean terms which give the output function equal to 1. ठीक अछि एडी
yes,
देखो
ma'am.
x बार y ପାଇଁ କି x complement y ପାଇଁ କି ଆମର डिफरेंस होची 1 तो एटा अपियर करिवो ई मीन टर्म टा x complement y then आउ
Yes.
कोठी ପାଇଁ की डिफरेंस 1 x y complement ପାଇଁ so we will write down the expression as d equals to x complement y plus xy complement that is equal to x XOR y.
Yes, ma'am.
x XOR y बुझ पारछो ना मु पेंट स्क्रीन ने ड्रॉ करके देखेबी
yes ma'am बुझी पार
we are having d equal to x complement y plus x y complement. The paint screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Okay, d equals to x complement y plus xy complement. That is nothing but x XOR y. Then what will be the expression for borrow? B will be equal to
x complement y
y. Okay, we are having b value 1 over only one mean term, that is x complement y. So b is equal to x complement y. Now you draw the logic circuit. We will have x and y as the two inputs. Pass it through the XOR gate. This is the XOR gate. Give you D. That is difference equals to x XOR y. Right? Then we will have x complement. Pass it through the inverter. This is x complement and x complement y passed through the AND gate. So this will give you the borrow. Who is Sumit? His roll number is not mentioned actually. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is the full subtractor. Now, what is a full subtractor circuit? Which will take into account, in a full adder, we are taking into account the previous carry. And in a full subtractor, we will take the previous borrow. Okay. In a full subtractor, we will take the previous borrow. Now, how many inputs we will have? We will have how many inputs?
Three.
Three
Three.
inputs. Okay. What are the three inputs? We will take it as X, Y, and Z. Okay. Take it as X, Y, and Z. So using X, Y, Z as the three inputs, we will have how many outputs? We will have two outputs, difference and borrow. We will have three outputs or not? Difference and borrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, three inputs and two outputs. Draw X, Y, Z and difference borrow. Draw the truth table yourself. See, all of you, if this problem exists from the next class, all of you try to join before 8 o'clock, okay? Or maximum by 8:05. Because in between the class, I have to return back to my main page and I have to admit all the students. So by 8:05, all of you please try to log in, or else you'll not be allowed. Because I have to return back from my paint screen and I have to admit each and every student if you are giving the request. Just now somebody joined, some Sushri or something joined now. Sushri Borsarani Sahu.
Yes, ma'am.
Tebe join kolu.
Again, ma'am.
The next class rule, I'm making it very clear from the next class. If you are not joining by 8 o'clock or maximum 5 minutes delay, I can allow. Okay, after that, nobody will be allowed in the class. If this problem continues. Because every time I have to return back to the main page and I have to admit. I have to return back from the paint page or from the PDF file and I have to admit the students. So please try to come to the class and next time in time.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you draw the two. Unmute kar de Sushri. From all of you draw the truth table. All of you draw the truth table.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Now what will be the truth table?
Ma'am, difference will be
For
0,
0
1.
0 0 combination. For 0 0 0 combination, the difference will be 0 and the borrow will be 0. See, what you do is a minus, sorry, x minus y plus z. It will be easier. You put the formula x minus y plus z. X minus y plus z କରିଦେଲେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେଇଯିବ. So 0 minus 0 plus 0. So that will give you difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Then we will have 0 0 1. For 0 0 1 combination, we will have 0 minus 1. ଦେଖୁନ ପୁଣି ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ଆସିଲାଣି ସୋ ରୋଲ ନମ୍ବର they will join late and they don't have also patience to get in the class. Whatever. Have 0 minus 0 plus 1. Okay. Do it like this. 0 minus 0 plus 1. We will have 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is not allowed. So difference and borrow. Difference will be 1 and borrow will be 1. Okay. Then we are having 0 1 0. 0 1 0 combination the.
Yes, ma'am.
0 1 0 will be again 0 minus 1. So difference
One,
will
one.
be 1 and borrow will be
But will be 1.
difference is 1 and borrow is 1. So difference 1, borrow 1. Then 0 1 1. 0 1 1.
0, 0.
So 0 0 0
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
1, the difference will be 0 but the borrow will be 1. 1 plus 1. Okay, you are adding these two numbers. 1 plus 1 will be 1 0. Right? Arre, this is x,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
this
ma'am.
is y and this is z. Okay, so x minus y plus z. So 0 minus 1 plus 1 kite? 1 0. So if you take a borrow, then it will become 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 0. So we will get difference is 0, but borrow will be 1. Borrow kon difference thila 0, borrow thila 0. Next, we will have 1 0 0.
0.
Okay, 1 0 0 re kon habo? Difference will be 1, but borrow will be 0 because 1
0.
minus 0 will give you 1. Then 1 0 1. 1 minus 1. Difference will be 0 and borrow will be 0. Then 1 1 0. Okay, 1 minus 1. Again difference 0 and borrow 0. Then 1 1 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So we cannot subtract 1 0 from 1. We will take a borrow. So 1 1 minus 1 0. So difference will be 1 and borrow will also be 1. Understood all of you the truth table? Anybody having any doubt in the truth table? Okay, now you write down the expression for difference. Difference will be equal to, difference is 1 for x complement, y complement, z.
Z plus
Okay,
x complement y
difference
z complement
is equal to x complement, y complement, z plus
x complement
x
y z
complement,
y
y, z complement, then plus,
ma'am x complement sir second
sorry, x complement, y, z complement plus
x y
x,
complement z complement
y complement,
z complement
z complement plus x, y, z. Okay. And what is the expression for borrow?
x complement y plus x complement z plus y
Borrow
complement
is equal to x complement,
y
y complement, z plus
X complement Y Z complement
x complement y
मैम
z
मैम
complement हाँ
मैम जो डिफरेंस सेकंड टा y z कंप्लीमेंट हो
हाँ z complement ही अछि एटी देखा जाउनी एक्चुअली ठीक से ए z ऊपर गोटे गारटा अछि जोडा कि हमको देखा जाउनी हैला सेटा लागि छि ता संगे रे हैला
यस मैम
एडी भी y complement अछि देखाउछ तो
मैम
हम पेंट स्क्रीन में याटू भूला लिख परिबिनी रे बहुत कष्ट रे लिखुछ x complement y complement z plus x complement y z complement plus
X complement Y
x
Z
complement y z
plus X Y Z.
plus x y z. Okay, now you minimize the expression for d for difference. Take x complement from the first two terms. For difference, take x complement from the first two terms. Okay, d equals to take x complement, okay, common, then y complement z plus y z complement plus take x common, y complement z complement plus yz. Again this will be of the form x xor y xor z, because you can see x complement this y complement z plus yz complement will be equal to y xor z plus x, this y complement z complement plus yz will be y x nor z. full adder derivation mane achi, the difference ta kon hobo re, difference will be equal to so this will be equal to x complement okay x complement y xor z plus x y xor z whole complement. बुझाला समस्तंकु
Yes, ma'am.
सेटा कोन हबो y complement z को जदी हमें a नहीं छिबा तो it will be x xor a हबो, so that is x xor y xor z, so the difference will be equal to x xor y xor z. Who has derived the minimized expression for borrow? Anybody who has derived the expression for borrow?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the expression for borrow?
ma'am, X complement
Borrow is
Y.
Ma'am,
what
K
is
map use है अब.
anything you can do, k map also, and by using boolean expression also you can do.
x complement y plus x complement z plus yz.
Mm-hmm.
And x complement y
Ma'am,
plus
X
x
complement.
yj.
X
Ma'am,
complement
x
Y.
complement y xr z plus yz.
Good. That is one form. Okay, that is by using Boolean expression. Okay, you are minimizing the Boolean expression by using Boolean laws. The next, who has done by using the K-map?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, what is the minimized expression?
Ma'am, final expression टा कहिबी. Z bracket भितरे x XOR y plus x complement y.
ना सेटा ट्रूथ सेटा K-map नहीं की?
Yes, ma'am.
No, by using K-map you will not get that expression. Okay, Boolean expression use करिकी समस्ते कर देइछो. Okay, जो मैंने भी करछो सेटा ठीक अछि. By using the K-map. K-map use करिकी गलो. आगे करछि K-map use करिकी स्नेहाशीष कल्लू.
ना मान टिके सर
Okay, just tell me what are the mean terms which are present. Anybody can tell me the mean terms which are present. I think 1 is present, 2 is present, okay, and 3 is present, and 7 is present.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 7
1 2
no?
3 7 yes ma'am 1 2 3 7
Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 7.
7
So this will form one group. 1 and 2 will form one group. Okay.
yes ma'am
Then we will have
Ma'am, the expression. Hello.
3 and 7. Yes.
Ma'am, the expression is x bar into z plus y whole into plus yz.
What whole into plus yz? I am not getting actually.
Sorry, ma'am.
We
X
will
bar
have
into
three
z
terms.
plus y.
रोजे ହେଲା ଏବେ ତ ମୁଁ କଲିଣି ମୁଁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିଦେବି ପୁଣି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ କାହାର ଭୁଲ ଥିବ କାହାର ଠିକ ଥିବ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଲିଖି ଦଉଛି the expression for borrow is we will have by combining 1 and 2 ଯାହାର ବି mic unmute ଅଛି please mute कर दियो we are having the first group that is used by forming mean term 1 and 2 by using mean term 1 and 2 we will have a complement c एडी आसीबो b complement c एडी आसीबो bc right so here from the a mean term 1 and 2 we will have the common term is c and from this side we will have a complement then again we will have a complement b by using these two terms by combining the mean terms 2 and 3 we are having a complement b then we are having bc by combining the mean terms 3 and 7 so our minimized expression will be for borrow by using K-map will be a complement c plus a complement b plus bc कार डाउट अछि anybody having any doubt
no ma'am
who joined just now okay all of you got the expression for carry for difference and for borrow all of you got the minimized expression for difference and borrow so you can use the minimized expression for borrow in both the cases okay you can use either by using Boolean expression or by using K-map both the cases will be right. By using Boolean expression, what is the minimized expression you are getting? You are getting x complement y plus, what is the minimized expression? X complement y plus
X complement y
yz
exert
plus
z
a complement
plus
y.
plus
x
y.
complement yz plus ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ମିନିମାଇଜ କରିବି ନା କି ମତେ କହିବ ଠିକ ସେ?
मैम x complement y plus z x
x complement y plus z.
yes ma'am
Ah,
मैम
x complement y plus z ଆସିନଥିବ।
y exert z हबो
X complement y exert z plus yz.
ନିଜେ କରିଦଉ ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ, ତମମାନଙ୍କ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଭେରାଇଟି ଅଫ ଆନ୍ସର ଆସିବ।
ना मैम सेतिक आछि
କଣ ଆସୁଛି?
x complement y exert z plus yz
x complement y exor z,
exert आज्ञा
x complement ब्रैकेट रे y exor z ତ
आज्ञा
Yes ma'am.
ପ୍ଲସ୍
yz
କାହା ଘରେ ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ ଶୁଆ ଅଛି? ସୁମନ ତମ ଘରେ?
आज्ञा मैम
x complement y exor z plus yz. Is this the term that all of you are getting?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So can you draw the logic circuit? Can you all draw the logic circuit?
yes ma'am
yes मैम
Anybody who cannot draw, you can tell me now. Okay, good. All of you can draw the logic circuit. Now you write down, all of you write down a question. Before going to multiplexer, I want you all to solve a problem. Write down, design a combinational circuit. I am audible to all? Write down, design a combinational circuit with three inputs x, y and z. Design a combinational circuit with three inputs x, y and z and three outputs a, b and c. Design a combinational circuit with three inputs x, y and z and three outputs a, b and c. When the binary input is 0, 1, 2 or 3, when the binary input is 0, 1, 2 or 3, the binary output is 1 greater than the input. The binary output is 1 greater than the input. When the binary input is 4, 5, 6 or 7, when the binary input is 4, 5, 6 or 7, the binary output is 2 less than the input. The binary output is 2 less than the input. All of you understood the question? All of you understood the question or not? Any doubt in the question?
Yes, ma'am, we understood.
Okay. Now you try solving. All of you solve, and only that student will answer whom I will ask. Do not respond after you have finished. I want to know who has done and who has not done. Roll number 116. 116.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you finished?
Ma'am. Or-
Roll number 122. Roll number 122.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? What is the expression for A?
Ma'am, correct.
କିଏ କରିସାରିଲଣି? ତୃପ୍ତି? କିଏ?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Abhishek. Abhishek, what is the expression for A?
Yes, ma'am.
A equal to Y. किन बाला A equal to Y?
Y XOR Z.
Y XOR Z असला तारा. Any more answers? How the combinational circuit will be Y XOR Z? I don't understand. You are having 3 inputs and 3 outputs. So we will have separate expression for A, separate expression for B, and separate expression for C. Have you all understood the question or not? A equal to B, B equal to Y dash. A equal to Y bahalla. A को mean term ପାଇଁ କି 1 ଅଛି? Truth table କହିଲୁ ଅଭିଷେକ? कौन 0 1 0 कोठु ଆସିଲା?
My God.
When the input is 0 1 2 or 3, the output is greater than 1 as that of the input. Say the statement thila.
Yes, ma'am.
When the input is between 0 1 2 or 3, then the output is greater by 1 than the input. So your input is 0 means the output will be 1. The XYZ ଯେତେବେଳେ 0 0 0 ସେତେବେଳେ ABC ର value କଣ ହବ? 0 0 1 ହବ ନା ନାହିଁ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When XYZ is 0 0 1, the ABC will be 0 1 0.
0 1 0.
When it is 0 1 0, XYZ is 0 1 0, ABC is 0 1 1.
Yes, ma'am.
When XYZ is 0 1 1, ABC will be 1 0 0. Then the second part of the question. Up to this, all of you understood? Then
Okay.
when the input is 4 5 6 or 7, then the output will be 2 less than the input. The output will be 2 less than the input. So the input is 1 0 0. That is 4. So the output will be 2.
0
So we
1
will have 0 1 0. When the input is 1 0 1, that is 5. The output will be 0 1 1. That is 3. Then for 6, it will be 4 1 0 0. And for 7, it will be 1 0 1. So A is 1 for the mean terms 3, 6 and 7. Right?
Second one author କହିବି
You are getting କଣ?
Second author କହିବି ଟିକେ ଯୋଉଟା
Second ଟା ମାନେ A ଟା. A is 1.
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
A is 1 for the mean terms 3, 6 and 7.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? A is 1. All of you got this? A is 1 for the mean terms 3, 6 and 7. Then
Yes,
B
ma'am.
is 1 for the mean terms. 1, 2, 4 and 5. B is 1 for the mean terms 1, 2, 4 and 5. And C is 1 for the mean terms 0, 2, 5 and 7. Etki asla samosangara.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A is 1, 4, 3, 6, 7. B is summation of the mean terms 1, 2, 4, 5. And C is the summation of the mean terms 0, 2, 5, 7. Now you put it in the 3 variable K map. A ପାଇଁ କି ଗୋଟେ 3 variable K map, B ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ 3 variable K map, ଆଉ C ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ 3 variable K map. Separate 3 variable K maps for the 3 expressions A, B and C. So you will get a, after writing down what is the expression, after putting it in the K map, you are getting YZ plus XY.
Plus X.
Get YZ plus XY or not? Are you getting the expression for A as YZ plus XY?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the expression for B. What is the expression for B?
X complement Y complement Z plus X complement Y.
X complement Y complement Z or X Y Z complement?
Yes, ma'am. X.
X complement Y Z complement.
X. Say.
We are getting X complement Y Z complement plus Y complement Z plus X Y complement. Is this the expression? B is equal to X complement Y Z complement plus Y complement Z plus X Y complement. एतकी आंसर असला समजतांगरा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next for C, you are getting XZ plus YZ plus X complement Y complement Z complement. The minimized expression for C is XZ plus YZ plus X complement Y complement Z complement. This is the expression for C. After finding out the expression for A, B and C, only you have to draw the logic circuit. Can you draw the logic circuit of your own?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any more doubt? Any more doubt? If anybody has not understood it, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will solve. I have solved it